Hey everybody, I am Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, Macari, and this week we're doing something differently. I'm sitting in a parking lot without my wife, who runs the channel, because I wanted to work out a bonus Christmas gift. It's right after Christmas, and what's one extra thing? I do most of the shipping, and I saw a different YouTuber that we watch hack gift wrapping, and I was a bit inspired by them. Shout out to Lad Baby. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to hack a way to more easily store pallet wrap to make shipping easier, because oftentimes I'll have to bring in the wife to help me because it's an awkward thing and it's not easy to do. So I'm hopeful I can get like a way to attach it to the desk so I don't have to involve her in it and make it faster. So here's hoping. And I'm alone in a parking lot, so this is going to be an experience. So this is what I'm dealing with, and I'm going to have to try to measure it in the car. And this is going to be an experience. Should have done this in advance. That's my bad, y'all. My bad. Looks like it's about 16 inches, about a foot and a half, we'll say, give or take. We'll go foot and a half. So, by 3 inches. Okay. So I got the measurements now. That was super awkward. Don't do that. Do it in advance. So I've been looking all over Home Depot to find the stupid connector for a paper towel rack. Doesn't exist. So I've looked in cleaning, I've looked in kitchen, I've looked everywhere. I'm about to give up. I have one last thing that I can try, and I'll see if that'll work. I'm going to check plumbing, see if I can get some PVC to work it out as a rig. So, plumbing. That's what I'm looking for. Cartridge for a faucet. Perfect. Alright. Yeah. I actually think this will do nicely. Get a couple of these. Probably, I'd say 4 or 5. And we should be good to go. Now we're in business. Alright. So I am back in the parking lot. That did not go as I had expected. I really thought this was going to be way easier, but it's going to be an all-day thing. Yeah. So I bought the wrong hooks for the wall mount, and then I also forgot to get a spacer for the wall because the roll is huge. So I need to space it out from the wall, and then I also need to get the right size hooks. Great. Alright, I am in a quiet corner of the hardware store. I have my piece of wood for the spacing. I have the correct size, and because I'm doing this as a gift to my wife, I get a gift for myself, which is a handsaw and a miter. So, if you're going to be treating someone else, you can always treat yourself. So, I get to now argue with the cashier to hopefully let me exchange or return things, pay for the other items. So, it'll be fun. Alright, so I'm in her office, and I have a little bit of time. She's out doing a couple errands. And that is the mural on the wall. Yes, it's the United States. I have very strict instructions to never cover that. So I'm going to put it here below Florida. And I'm hopeful that she's okay with the placement. It's kind of, sorry if you can hear the dog in the background. The puppy's in another room making all kinds of noise. So first things first, I have to cut down the spacer block. And then once I've done that, the real fun begins. Putting it on the wall. Well, that was the hard part. It was not the hard part. The hard part is he's going to be getting it on the wall. So, yeah. So because we are in her office, I have to be extra clean because all of her stuff is in here, and there's a very clear reason why this is the only section of the office you get to see, because the rest of it is a nightmare. So I'm going to do a little bit of vacuuming. I won't bore you with the details. All right, with that out of the way, let's get to the hard part. So this plus this, there, basically, and we'll see how it goes. Pretty straightforward. I thoroughly recommend getting a pipe cutter just to have. Makes cutting anything circular very easy. I've used it on metal dowels for the closets. I've used it for PVC. Anything that you need to cut tubing wise. So, life pro tip. Now that we've done all of that, thank you for bearing with me, we are going to drill it to the wall. There is the danger of using a lot of torque and really hard wood. So it's officially done. It's on the wall. And it works. Not the easiest hack, if I'm being honest. It was kind of a pain, but I do think I hear my wife. Hey, honey!
Yeah?
Come check out what I've done in your office.
Why is there a camera and a very bright light?
Well, that's our new ring light. You know that.
Yes, but the
Come
ring
into
is
the-
normally in the other room.
Come into the office, honey.
Look at you clean my desk!
I did clean the desk. It was actually filthy before this.
I mean...
Which I didn't actually show, but...
Okay.
So, I have always been bothering you with the pallet wrap.
Mm-hmm.
So I've fastened it to the wall so I don't have to bother you.
Does it work? Oh.
Yeah.
So you now have a wall packaging buddy instead of me.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, especially in this tiny room when I have to back up into a wall and almost kill myself.
Yes. So I hope
So what did you use?
PVC and a piece of wood.
What is that?
Those are PVC mounts.
Ah.
And just clips right in.
I mean, it's not the prettiest thing.
All right, you're gonna get on my case about aesthetics.
Well, look at my wall. Look how, I don't know if they can see it on camera, but my wall is beautiful.
I've already panned over the wall.
Yeah. So my
a few
wall is
times.
beautiful. I don't know if you guys can even see me because I can't see anything with the ring light. However, my wall is beautiful. So maybe what we'll do is we'll paint it.
You're more welcome to paint it. I ain't doing it.
It's a struggle. Is this gonna be a fun video for me to watch? Did you film the whole thing?
I did film the whole thing. It was like 6 hours
Oh,
long.
this is gonna be great. I'm going to love
I'm
watching
going
the
to
fails.
creatively edit this.
So,
And this whole conversation is not going to be a part of the final product.
But it is. Well, I love it, and I love that you're doing things to make 2021 a better 2020, or better than 2020.
Yeah. I mean,
So do you want to see if it actually like works? Should we try to wrap something?
what do you want to wrap?
I don't know, something like maybe like a purse. Let's see if you can do it without help from me because
Giant purse.
normally you would require my assistance. Watch it come flying off the wall. And there's big, massive, gaping holes in my wall.
That's not entirely improbable.
Seems to work.
It does work. Ah.
It does. So this is pretty cool. So if you guys use, I don't know how many resellers actually use shrink wrap because I know that plastic wrap is not everyone's favorite thing, especially given the environment and problems with that. However, when you're doing big bulky items like this that do not fit into plastic bags, that is what we've been doing. And yeah, I mean, it also will stay there. So we won't, lose it. Because, we've never done that, misplaced it or anything.
Do you want me to pan over the rest of this office?
No.
All right then.
No,
Ease
no,
off
my
of
friend.
the making fun of me.
Yeah,
Because it's an impassable nightmare in this office.
Yes, it is. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. I now don't have to worry about another step of packaging. Soon it will be all yours and I won't have to come in
Yeah,
at
because it
all.
wasn't all mine anyway.
Well, now all we have to do is figure out how you can print labels without my assistance at all.
This is a alternate video to the ones that we normally do. Thank you all for bearing with me for this painful process. And Now that I figured out the kinks, it would probably go much faster the second time, which I'm not going to do. So please don't ask.
Yeah, so we are, for 2021, planning on doing some more different type of videos. I don't know if he's going to do anything else for me because that would be a lot. But you will see a lot of videos of us out and about, and you might see other videos of us doing different types of things, maybe tips that are a little bit different, but more interactive, more creative, because I'm jonesing for it. So hopefully you guys like this type of video. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I cannot wait to get to editing. I'm very excited because if he did DIY at home, this means there's lots of bloopers, and I'm so down for it.
They're not going to make it into the cut.
If you guys ask us for it, they will make it. Yes, 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 yes. So let us know in the comments below if you want to see him doing more DIY, which means more bloopers. Also, let us know in the comments below because he is motivated by comments. So do this for me, please, and thank you. But yeah, that is it. I think our next video we are planning on recording today because my face is done because we were planning on doing a nice video on how to make money selling ugly sweaters.
Yeah, that's going to be all you heavy lifting, thank God.
So if you guys do want to see that video, please let me know in the comments below so I know that you're interested in that. It's something that I randomly happened upon. It happens to be a niche I'm good at. So if you guys do want to see it, let me know. And we should be filming that. You may see me in the same outfit or you may see me in an ugly sweater. I'm not sure. But
I think you're obligated to put on an ugly sweater.
I'm feeling that way, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back really soon with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Thank you guys again.